Understanding Zero Outcome, a guide to English phrases. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, zero outcome. It's a phrase that might sound a bit technical at first, but by the end of this video, you'll understand it perfectly and know how to use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, zero outcome, refers to a situation where an action, effort, or event does not produce any significant result or effect. It's like running in place. You're doing something, but not getting anywhere. We often use this phrase in a professional or academic context to describe efforts that have not met their goals. Let's look at the two words individually. Zero means nothing, no amount, or lacking value. An outcome is the result or effect of an action. When combined, these words suggest that the result of an action is equivalent to nothing, indicating a lack of success or progress. To understand zero outcome better, let's see it in action. After months of negotiations, the talks ended with a zero outcome. The marketing campaign was expensive, but unfortunately, we had a zero outcome in sales. These examples show that despite efforts or expectations, no tangible results were achieved. It's useful to know some synonyms or related phrases that can be used interchangeably with zero outcome. These include no result, null result, without effect, fruitless effort. Understanding these can add variety to your language and help you comprehend similar phrases when you hear them. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, zero outcome. We hope you now feel confident in understanding and using this phrase in English. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the nuances of different phrases. Keep practicing, and you'll continue to improve. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.